Hi, I'm Rishabh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your personal WhatsApp business app with the WhatsApp API without any technical knowledge using SandeshAI. Earlier, if you wanted to use the WhatsApp API, you could not use the same number on the WhatsApp business app. You had to use the separate number for the API. But now with the WhatsApp Coexistence feature, you can connect your current WhatsApp business app directly to the API. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process. So let's get started. For this setup, we will use SandeshAI, an official Meta Tech partner, to connect your WhatsApp business number to the API and automate everything easily. With SandeshAI, you can automate WhatsApp messages, send reminders, send bulk messages, build chatbots, assign chats to your teams, and much more, while still using your WhatsApp normally on your phone. So let's quickly create an account in the SandeshAI. Click on this login button here. Click on this create an account. You can create an account by simply filling out this form. I already have created an account, so let me quickly log in. After signing up, you will land on this dashboard section. From here, we will connect our WhatsApp business app to the WhatsApp API. To get access to the WhatsApp API, you must have a Facebook account. As you can see, there are three steps involved in setting up the WhatsApp business API. In the first step, we connect our Facebook account and the WhatsApp business app number that we want to link with the API. In the second step, we add a payment method inside the Facebook Business Manager because Meta charges for the template messages. I've explained about the template message charge in a detail in another video, and I will share the link in the description. In the third step, we complete the Facebook business verification. I highly recommend completing the business verification process as early as possible and getting your Facebook Business Manager verified to avoid the issues later. In some cases, WhatsApp may restrict your API account if this step is not completed. So it's better to complete this step first. And you will also get the higher per day messaging limit once you complete this step. To verify your Facebook Business Manager, you can use any legal document that shows your business name, and you should have an active website. To make your Facebook Business Manager verified, search for a Facebook for business in Google. Click on this first link, business.facebook.com, Meta for Business. Now click on the settings in the bottom left sidebar here. Now click on the Security Center tab here. Here I have already verified my Facebook Business Manager, so it shows as a verified. If your business is not verified, you will see a start verification button over here. Click on that button, fill in the required details and submit the documents. In most cases, you will get your Facebook Business Manager verified in a few hours. Max it would take around 24 hours. In some cases, the start verification button may not be visible over here. If that happens, go to the app section in the left sidebar here and create a new app here. Once the app is created, you should see a start verification button over here in the security tab. If you face any issue during this process, I've already created a step-by-step video on how to verify your Facebook Business Manager. I'll share the link in the description so you can follow that guide. Now let's move back to the Sandesh AI. Now let's move ahead with the first step, which is linking your Facebook account and connecting your WhatsApp business app. So click on this connect WhatsApp button here. Now here select the second option, which is I want to use a phone number that is currently active on WhatsApp business app. Then click on this continue with Facebook button. Click on the continue button here. Here you first need to select your business portfolio that you want to connect. If you already have created one, it will appear here and you can simply select it. If not, you can create a new business portfolio by clicking on this create a business portfolio here. In my case, it's already created and I have selected this. Now here in the second option, which is WhatsApp business account, we need to select a connect a WhatsApp business app option. Here we have an option of connect a WhatsApp business app. So select this option. Now click on the next button here. Here we need to add our WhatsApp business app number that we want to connect. Select the country code here and write the number. Write your WhatsApp business app number which you want to connect. 6. Okay. Click on this next button here. Now again click on this next button here. Now the WhatsApp business app that you have connected here will receive a WhatsApp message from a Facebook business. So see, I have received that WhatsApp message here. And so click on this message and you will see a connect button here. So click on that connect button in the message and scan the QR code. Here I need to click on this connect to business platform button. Now here we have two options. Either we can share all chats or don't share chats. I'll go with don't share chats option and click on this confirm button. Now I need to scan this QR. So let me scan this. Now as you can see, my WhatsApp business account name has been fetched and displayed here. You just need to select the correct time zone here. In my case, it's already selected correctly. And now click on this next button here. Click on this confirm button here. Now it's showing that your account is connected to SandeshAI. Now click on this finish button to complete the process. Here our WhatsApp business API is successfully connected and ready to use. And as you can see, my Facebook business manager is already verified. So it's showing a verified status here. Now here we need to perform the final step, which is adding a payment method. You must need to add a payment method if you want to send a bulk WhatsApp template messages, as Meta charges per template message sent. Click on this add payment method button here. This will redirect us to the Facebook billing and payment section for the WhatsApp API. Here we need to add a payment method by clicking on this add a payment method button. So let me quickly add one. As you can see, I've added the payment method. Once you add the payment method, make sure to set it as a default. This is an important step, otherwise your template message will fail. To set it as a default, click on the three dot here and click on the set as default here. Okay, click on the set as default button here. Click done. Now we need to perform the final step, which is adding a business info. So click on this edit button here and fill out the necessary details over here. This step is required, and if your business is based out of India, you should have to add a GST number here. This is not an optional step. If you don't have a GST number, you can take it from your family or friends, but this is required step. So let me quickly add these details. This is how it looks after successfully adding a payment method and the business info. Now move back to the SandeshAI and click on the refresh button here. This is how it looks when you have successfully completed all the three steps. Now our WhatsApp business API is successfully connected and ready to use. If you also want to sync all your WhatsApp business app contacts to the SandeshAI, you can easily do that by clicking on the settings in the left sidebar here. And here just click on this sync contacts button in the basic setting. It's initialized successfully. Now go to the context section here and select the all contacts. Now as you can see, all my WhatsApp business app contacts has been successfully synced to the SandeshAI. After connecting your WhatsApp business app with the WhatsApp API, your WhatsApp business app become much more powerful. Now you can send bulk messages, automate all your WhatsApp message like payment reminders or appointment reminders, etc. You can also build rule-based chatbot or even AI chatbots that reply to the customer 24/7 and much more. All of this can be done using SandeshAI. Connecting your WhatsApp business app to the API also give you an extra advantage. Let's say if few of your contacts already have your number saved on their phone, messages sent from the same number feel more familiar and trustworthy, which can lead to better response and higher conversions. I've also added a few useful video in the description to help you get started with SandeshAI. such as how to send a bulk WhatsApp messages using SandeshAI. You can check it out in the video description. That's all for this video. If you have any question or need help setting this up, you can chat with the team using this WhatsApp button or call directly on the number shown in the screen. All the important links are shared in the video description. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, you will learn everything about WhatsApp automation, WhatsApp marketing, and how to build a powerful AI automation. Thanks for watching.